Hello friends. There are two times when you are supposed to perceive a picture and write a story on that during your SSB. First time is when you are appearing for your screening in PPNDT, and second time is when you are writing your TAT or thematic apperception test during your psychological test. During these times, you generally perceive a picture as you want it to be, create some challenge for the characters in the picture and have a final outcome. Then you find a way how you can achieve the final outcome based on what is happening in the picture. Most of the candidates do it well by perceiving the picture correctly as well as writing the story. But let me tell you one thing, you have to be very careful getting influenced by others. In most of the groups, candidates keep posting these pictures and ask for suggestions. And you have so many people there to give you free advice, free suggestions. You can learn more about it here. Also, what does perception mean? Perception means how you look at things and analyze the situation. In picture, suppose there is a picture given. Okay, in this picture you see that there are basically three characters and some action is going on. One candidate in a group put a story on this picture. This story goes like this. Suresh was a mechanical engineer working in a private firm. His wife met with an accident and dies. He is very sad. The nurse is pushing the stretcher and Suresh is thinking about his children and their future. He works hard and takes care of their children and educates them as well. So here the story ends. Now on this picture, lot of comments are coming. One person comments, "Bro, good one, but you can add little more positivity in this." Then the candidate says, yes, point noted, I will do it. One more comment is there, "Bro, nice, but you can see that here there is no challenge or problem. You must add." Yes. So he changes his story now. And his next story is, Suresh is a mechanical engineer working in a private firm. His wife met with an accident and dies. He is very sad. The nurse is pushing the stretcher and Suresh sees that the wheels of the stretcher are making kir noise. He immediately goes to the director of the hospital and says that grease needs to be applied to the wheels. He gets a big order for grease from the hospital and his boss is very happy and gives him a big promotion. So now this story has changed. Perception wise, is this story relevant? Yes, both these stories are relevant to the scene. But can you see the change in logic here? Now, because of influence from others, the story has taken a different turn altogether. And now on this story, there are more comments. "Well done, bro. Good job. But still there is negativity in this story. This story must be positive, so make it positive." So he says, "Okay, I will do it," and send it again. And he makes a third version of the story and puts it on the group again. Suresh was a mechanical engineer working in a private company. His friend Usha is a nurse in a hospital. Usha tells Suresh that wheels of the stretcher are making kir noise. He immediately goes to the director of the hospital and says that grease needs to be applied to the wheels. He immediately gets a big order for the grease and his boss is very happy and gives him a promotion. Now, in this story, the candidate has made everything positive. But now, is this story really relevant to the picture? What is happening in the picture and what the story is talking about? There is a clear mismatch. There is no congruence in the thought and the picture that is shown. This is the mistake where most of us do when we are influenced by others. It is always better to stick to what you feel and what you perceive in that picture, and based on that, you write your own story. The general requirement here is to have some challenge and not only big problems. What another mistake candidates do is they create big problems to the hero or the protagonist of the story. And what they do, they dig a big gadda. Okay, this is a big problem. They take that hero, put him in a gadda, then put lot of cow dung over it. Gobar bharte hai uske upar. And with lot of difficulty that hero tries to come out of that gobar and comes out. This is the problem. Example, Suresh is a very sincere and hardworking boy. He fails in his 12th standard. आपने गड्ढा खोद दिया. Then his father dies and he is now homeless. आपने उसमें गोबर भरा. Suresh is sitting under the street light and he studies hard and clear his 12th standard and goes and becomes an IAS officer. What does this story say? Only thing is you have created a big problem for him, putting him in that problem, and he comes out with lot of difficulty. You are the creator here. You can do whatever you want to do and make these characters perform as per your wish. What is the need of creating such unnecessary problems which are not at all seen in the picture? Create challenges which, if you are in the place of that person, how would you handle? Have a roadmap there, have what is happening in the picture and what should be the likely outcome. And based on the likely outcome, how would you go to it or reach that outcome? With that, I think that your story would be the right story. Do not get influenced by others. Have your own individuality at all the times. Subscribe and press the bell icon where you will get regular updates. We would be having many sessions on various topics. The next session what we are going to have is a gap analysis and an interview session which would be announced very soon. If you need, please message me. I will try to register. It may not be a free session because last time when we had it, there were so many candidates who could not appear and there were people who were not really interested in going to SSB. To avoid this, we would be having a very nominal fees, but this session will be extremely useful for everybody. Also, if you want only interview, you can always message me on 7088993444, and if slots are available, I would always try and accommodate for you for interview sessions as well as individual interview. If possible, join the privileged batch of AFO SOP where right guidance on the SSB and personality is given. Thank you. Jai Hind.